Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can delete your watch history on X. So let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and look for Storage. Tap on it, then select Clear All Storage and confirm by tapping Clear. Once that's done, go back to the X home screen and tap your profile icon again. Now, look for the History option and open it. Inside the History section, tap the Videos tab to view the videos you've previously watched. If you want to remove a specific video from your watch history, press and hold on the video you want to remove. A menu should appear with an option to Remove from History. Tap it to delete that video from your watch history. Repeat these steps for any other videos you want to remove. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your watch history on X. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.